Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen cylinder. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your oxygen cylinder is securely upright, preventing any accidental falls. Before you begin, check the oxygen level gauge and confirm your regulator is the correct type for your cylinder valve. Remember to keep the cylinder a safe distance, at least 5 feet, from any heat sources, open flames, or flammable items to ensure a safe environment for everyone involved. Now let's attach the regulator. Carefully remove the protective cap from the cylinder valve. Then, align the regulator and hand tighten it onto the valve until it feels snug. This initial step is crucial for a good seal. Next, use a wrench to gently tighten the regulator a little further. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the valve or the regulator itself. A secure, but not excessively tight, connection is what we are aiming for here. With the regulator securely in place, it's time to administer the oxygen. First, connect the oxygen tubing from the regulator's outlet to your chosen delivery device, whether it's a nasal cannula or an oxygen mask. Next, slowly open the cylinder valve by turning it counterclockwise, allowing the oxygen to flow. Finally, adjust the flow rate to the specific liters per minute prescribed by your healthcare provider, using the dial on the regulator. Always confirm the correct setting. After you've finished using the oxygen, proper shutdown and storage are essential. First, completely close the cylinder valve by turning it clockwise until it's tight. Next, bleed any remaining oxygen from the regulator by turning the flow dial to 0, ensuring the pressure gauge reads empty. Finally, store the cylinder in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area, always keeping it secured upright to prevent tipping. Following these steps ensures safety and prolongs equipment life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.